Yes, Ted the Impressionist. I love to come to Zoom shows like this and do impressions.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, I bet you all like cats, huh? Okay. Here's a cat as a backhoe. And he comes with his own kitty cat warning system. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, great. Here's a cat, several cats at racing at the Indianapolis 500. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, here's a crazy chainsaw. Here's a crazy cat. Okay. Here's a dog as quality control inspector at the sandpaper factory. Shh, shh, shh. Rough, rough.